maybe for your IAs test that we're going to go through. All right. So on your calculator, all right. Sorry, I'm not on the screen. Forgetting. With that. So not on now. On your calculator, can you find the stat button and press it? All right. So it's here. It says stat. And this becomes a very useful button as well as we go forward. And you are going to be in edit mode. So you get this screen in front of you. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to enter those points for week and length. So I'm just going to write those in. All right, so just to do this quickly then. So once you've got your numbers put in, right, what we're then going to do is you'll notice above y equals it says stat plot. So if you go to second and stat plot, all right, we're going to switch it on. So it says off and we're just going to press enter and press on and switch it on, all right? And this is the dots. This is the type of plots you can do. And just check that the X list is list 1 and the Y list is list 2. You all got that? So then we're sorted. What we can then do is go to graph, and you might see that, well, I've got a line being drawn, but I have got some dots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press, has anyone else got a line being drawn? Well, I've got that because I've got this one set up. So I'm going to go there and switch that off. And then I'm also going to go and set my window to the values in my table. So week X doesn't need to be any smaller than 0. Doesn't need to be any bigger than 20. And the Y value goes from 5. So I'm just going to go from 0 again and up to 100. All right, to fit in the 92. And if I then graph that, okay. So just to finish the lesson off, does that look like an exponential function would model that data nicely? Yeah? It does nice because we see that trend. Now, the idea of modeling, which is what we really need to get to, is I would then need you to be able to put in a function here, for instance, that would fit this data and the line would go through those points. And that's the point at which we need to be able to get to. Okay? All right. Have a good rest of your day.